Hi everyone. In this video we'll see how to use the J3138 test in the DG-BEACON protocol adapter tool. So let's look at some motivation for these tests. So certain vehicle tests require, for example, that the vehicle be stopped before the test starts. So before starting, the test checks that the vehicle speed is 0. If it's not 0, the test aborts and the test won't run. However, somebody could try to trick the test by injecting a false vehicle speed of 0 before the actual vehicle speed message, thereby tricking the test to continue when it's not supposed to. Our test needs to be robust against these kinds of attacks, so you need to verify that your test properly handles these types of anomalies. Let's see what this looks like with actual CANbus data. The test puts out a SID1 PID-D request for vehicle speed, and the vehicle module responds with the speed that is not 0, so the test will abort. Now let's see what it looks like to have a falsely injected vehicle speed response. As before, the test puts out a SID1 PID-D request for vehicle speed, but gets as a response a false response that indicates speed is 0. Starting at the BEACON webpage homepage, let's select Utilities. If you need to log in to the sysadmin web account, the default password is DG-BEACON. On the Utilities page on the right, you'll see a button that's labeled J3138. Select that button to get to the test construction page. Here you'll be able to configure a trigger message that the BEACON will look for in its received CAN messages and a response message that the BEACON will transmit in response to the trigger message. For the trigger message, you can specify the CAN ID header, the SID, the PID, and optional data. In this example, we specify SID1 PID-D. For the false response message, you can specify the CAN ID header, the SID, the PID, and the data. In this example, we specify SID1 PID-D and 0 for the data, which means 0 vehicle speed, which will be our false data. Push the Create button to create the trigger response pair. Push the Start button to start the BEACON program. Now when the BEACON receives the trigger message, it will send out the false response message that we configured.